Hey everyone, so it's dark out, but what you're looking at is a 2010 Chevy HHR LT. This belongs to my coworker, and it has an issue that I'm going to be diagnosing tomorrow at my shop, but I wanted to make a video on it real quick in case anybody else has an HHR and is having these issues. So this HHR, although it just went off, has, let's see here, has 120,000 miles. It's going to keep yelling at me. So the issue that this car has is with the power steering. So I'll go ahead and scroll through it. It has a bunch of stuff that's wrong with it, but I'll just go ahead and start it and I'll show you what's up. So we'll start it. Here's the EcoTech engine. So the issue that's happening with this vehicle has to do with the power steering. So I'll just shut the door. Actually, I'll keep it open so you can hear. So ice possible, thank you GM. So when you go to steer, the power steering is, you can see the headlights flashing too, it is intermittent. No, I don't like that. It's got the stupid auto light thing that GM used. So to go back the other way, and it cuts off. And you gotta push! And it's really hard to turn, and it's stuck, so I gotta use my other hand and pull it back. And then it's stuck again this way, so you gotta pull, doing that, and then do that. And then to go back to center, and it grabs again. Excuse me. And it just stops. I guess I can show you. I'll drive it around here the street real quick. So you'll see here, just go around the block real quick. So it's working. I slow down and it's cutting right there. So yeah, this car's loud. So I'll go ahead and I'll come to a complete stop here. And I'll show you, watch. There it goes. So I'll take another, actually I'll do a left turn here. Actually I'm gonna have to do a left turn anyway, but now it works at speed. So I'm really not sure here what the deal is, and I'm hoping, I'm going to diagnose it tomorrow. I'm hoping some other people are maybe have a similar issue with a Cobalt or an HHR. Here, I'm going to turn right again, and you'll see it here. It's going to probably be okay. Oh, nope. See it? And it creates sort of a dangerous driving condition, obviously, if you're in an emergency situation and you can't steer. It steers fine at speed. And it seems to only do it going right. You can see going left, it's a little stiff, but it seems to grab again. Now, as I'm going to slow down here to park it, you'll notice it loses it to the left a little bit. Pull back right here. Pull back in the parking spot. But I just want to make this video. If anyone else is having these issues with these HHRs, let me know. I'm going to diagnose this one, but there, it's cutting out again. You can see the headlights too when I do that. They really cut down on it. I guess you can't really see. And it stopped there again. And it's stuck. Can't pull it. I can use my other hand. And it's stuck again. Ugh. It's really weird, and it only does it when you're obviously stopped. Like you saw, it doesn't really do it when you're driving, and it really messes up the lighting bad. So, just making this to show, maybe some people have some similar issues with their HHR. And don't worry about the other stuff. This car does have some other issues that I'm going to take care of. But, yeah, so this car does not have power steering fluid. It has electric steering motors. I should defog that headlight too. So yeah, if anyone else has a HHR like this, or a Cobalt, or an Ion, let me know. I'm genuinely curious. I know it's dark out, you can't really see it, but this is the only point I have to take a video of it. So, if anyone else had these issues, you know, drop a comment down below. I'm kind of interested to see how widespread of an issue this is before we go and truly diagnose it. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web at isaac24.com. And for the record, this is going to be the only video you see of this car because I only have it for the night and tomorrow morning. So that's it.